You thank God Kartel never breed me. Kartel could breed me. Because it was a destined for Kartel to breed me. You know, say him breed me upon my birthday. Him breed me upon my birthday. I'm just take a morning after pill.
Enough I want to miss it cuss me because I come out and say Lisa hype have a mental issue, she go through a mental breakdown. You see, if somebody not get to Lisa hype and control her, police and soldier I go ask Kartel to come in and Shanstorm and question them.
I know there is going to be a lot of persons who are going to come for me on this video, but I got a vision since night and I saw Vybz Kartel.
Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, Neako file urging Lisa Ibe or somebody to reach out to her and her family to get her help. He fears that she will say some things incriminating regarding the lizard case that might make the government call back Shanstorm and Kartel for questioning. Also, there's a lady that is a prophet that she's, well, I don't know if she's a prophet. She come and says she get vision about Kartel. We have that to get into. But Lisa, I went live again for the 11th time. I spilled some secrets, say, I mean, from when she has say Vybz Kartel and her have sex like 2 times since in come out, but she know I say in breed her in a November, which means technically I coming and she take a morning after. But we have a lot to get into, so if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. Check this out.
You thank God Kartel never breed me. Kartel could breed me. Because it was a destined for Kartel to breed me. You know, say him breed me upon my birthday. Him breed me upon my birthday. I'm just take a morning after pill. When you feel me a pussy, I ask you if you don't feel me a pussy. The 25th of November, and breed me. And I did I consider if I for carry the pitney or not. I'm going to make up my mind in 2 days. And go to the pharmacy at Stony Hill. And buy a morning after pill and get rid of that bumbo clot. And that alone I can carry pitney for. You know how they fuck up my general. Never wish death on them. I never wish death on him. I just reflect on him. Because you see me youth them and my youth them. Big idiot. When the whole dance all come down upon you, I say, have them come and so you know a bullseye. The order them come, the order them die. I'm going to kill the 5 of them for you one time. Sean could have do that. Mooney could have do that. Papi could have do that. Me I ask you, who could have do that for you? None of them. Who are going to take care of your youth them when you're dead? Who are going to make sure your youth them alright when you're dead? Pussy. And you know my body in a real life. Anywhere in the world, you don't know me a mad girl. And me have my certificates. So anywhere in the world, me go on with fuckery. Nothing now come out of it. Them are going to just scare me and give me my mad people injection. You don't know that, man? Sacrifice myself for this. I don't feel like a joke thing. Stop one like you're an idiot. Hear my youth? Stop one like you're an idiot. Because me go Waterford go fire beer shot. Me just go Waterford with the 6 pants in my hand go fire beer shot. Know what you do. And you know me go over Christian Pen go do it too. You know me will make the whole of Christian Pen go on fire. You know me will burn down over Christian Pen. Hey, know what you do. Government badness and jewelness are the maddest life. Oh. Go take care of your youth them when you're gone.
She keeps bringing up Andrew name. The other day, J Progress say, I wonder if somebody pay Lisa for take down Kartel and promise her a career boost. Now, Neako Fire brings an interesting question. He say, if they don't control her, she go say some incriminating things and make they start ask Kartel and Shanstorm some question. I don't know if you, when you get acquitted, if they can reopen the case based on hearsay, but this is what he had to say. Check this out.
Enough I want to miss it cuss me because I come out and say Lisa hype have a mental issue, she go through a mental breakdown. Enough I want to cuss me. Say me fi load the girl and him something there. And through me talk, say the fix shouldn't release no interview. And then after that, me say Jeffrey release interview. But listen me good now. A whole heap of thing me talk on the internet and I don't feel like a joke me I make, you know. You see, if somebody not get to Lisa hype and control her, police and soldier, I go ask Cartel to come in and Shanstorm and question them. It will become a legal matter. She mentally ill, you know. She mentally ill, but she also know a lot of things. So me I want people and tell them say, you know, just get help for that girl. The people around now need to do something about what Lisa do. Because me see where it go. Because I don't feel like say, and everything she talk a foolishness, you know. No true, she have a mental issue, you know, that means say she a liar, you know. And everything she talk a foolishness. She have whole heap of sense in enough things that she has say, even though she have a mental breakdown and a mental issue. But them need to control Lisa now, no, cause Vybz Kartel and Shanstorm them I go running back with the lie, you know. Some things I go talk. So me a beg people around with a control her, cause me no want nothing to do her. Me genuinely no want nothing to do her. I want everybody to live a good and peaceful and happy life. But some things I go talk. You no need to get to Lisa and control her. You know, so I want, so Neako fire one, you know, so for a long time I want about Lisa hype and say, yo, I want to cuss me, say girl no mother, nothing to do her and no disrespect me. Because me want the best for her. It'll get out of hand. Trust me.
So this lady came and said that she had a dream the other night, and a vision, according to her, that Vybz Kartel came out of a bus and he had demons around him, and she started to say that he's in the Illuminati and the money way and I give away occult money. Check this out.
I know there is going to be a lot of persons who are going to come for me on this video, but I got a vision since night, and I saw Vybz Kartel, and to how the vision was structured, he was on a yellow bus, like a yellow government bus, a yellow JUTC bus, and there were a lot of persons out there in the bus with him. And there was an undercover police there into a red suit. And I saw them in the bus. They were coming and they had some money. Like he was giving out some help to them. Like he was funding them, helping them. And when he came out of the bus, I was there standing, waiting for him to come out. And I saw him into a jacket, a suit. I saw him into a grey jacket suit and a white shirt underneath that jacket suit. And when he came out of the bus, I saw the living demon on him. I saw the living devil himself. And what the Holy Spirit has revealed to me is that all these money that he has, it's cult money. It's not a money that he has. He's in cult. He's in the Illuminati. He's selling soul to the devil. You understand? I know people are going to come for me on these videos that I'm about to do, in regards to revelations, in regards to visions. But you can't fight with the Holy Spirit. If the Holy Spirit is showing somebody something that is a part of God, who is you to judge? Who is you to chastise? All those persons that you see coming on GIF on TikTok, Nicki Minaj, all of them is in the Illuminati. Them sell them soul to the devil. People need to be careful. People need to be vigilant. We all need to be careful of who we take money from on TikTok, who we make sin we give, because some of them, they're not of God, they're of the devil.
Yes.
Bourbon, you go?
Bourbon.
Activity. Yeah, the
Active.
state. Last and a rape.
Never.
They are London. Number one done. I mean, I'm out.
I don't play with God, right? And if what she's saying that she really dreamt it, well then we just have to be careful for true. But I just want to ask this question, like when Carter went in prison, where was everybody and all them visions and dreams? We don't have a message for everybody but to themselves. Like there's so many false. The Bible talk about this thing about false prophet. Cause one of the day, we never talk about it from in a prison. But anyway, you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share, and turn on your post notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye.